Imagine this. Sirens suddenly echo across your city. Your phone lights up with emergency alerts. News channels confirm something terrifying. War has just started. In moments like this, panic spreads quickly, but the first hour after war begins is critical. The actions you take during this time can make a huge difference in your safety. Here are 10 important things you should do in the first hour of war. 1. Seek immediate shelter. The first thing you should do is get to safety immediately. If you hear sirens or receive an alert, move to the nearest protected location. Do not wait outside or try to watch what's happening. Your priority should always be finding shelter quickly. 2. Choose the best shelter location. Not all places provide the same level of protection. The safest places are usually basements, underground parking areas, subway stations, or the lowest floor of a building. The more concrete and walls around you, the safer you are. 3. If you're indoors, move away from windows. Windows and exterior walls are dangerous during explosions. Glass can shatter and debris can fly inside. Instead, move to an interior room, hallway, or bathroom where there are fewer openings. 4. If you're outside, get low. If you are caught outside when an attack happens, lying flat on the ground can reduce your risk. Look for a ditch, depression, or low area. Staying low helps protect you from flying debris and shrapnel. 5. Protect yourself from blast shockwaves. If a blast occurs nearby, immediately lie face down. Cover your head, eyes, and ears with your arms. Keeping your mouth slightly open can help reduce pressure from shockwaves. These simple actions can reduce injuries. 6. Prepare an emergency go-bag. One of the most important preparations during a crisis is an emergency bag. A go bag allows you to survive for several days if electricity or water stops working. This bag should always be ready to grab quickly. 7. Keep important documents and cash. Inside your emergency bag, keep important documents such as identification cards, passports, birth certificates, and some cash. During emergencies, digital systems may not always work, so physical documents can be very important. 8. Pack essential supplies. Your emergency bag should also include basic survival items, water and ready-to-eat food, a flashlight and extra batteries, a first aid kit and essential medicines. A portable radio or power bank can also help you stay informed. 9. Follow official instructions. During wartime, information becomes extremely important. Always listen to official announcements from government authorities or civil defense. Avoid spreading rumors or trusting unverified social media posts. Accurate information helps people stay safe. 10. Be aware of hidden dangers. During conflicts, there might be unexploded objects or dangerous areas. Never touch suspicious items. Avoid restricted zones, military areas, and damaged infrastructure. Your safety depends on staying alert and cautious. War situations are unpredictable, but staying calm, finding shelter quickly, and being prepared can make a huge difference. Remember, stay informed, stay alert, and most importantly, stay safe. Because sometimes the right knowledge at the right moment can protect lives.